this is something that I've been using for a long time, ano. And hindi po akong creator nito. Ang creator nito ay si Roger Von Eck. Pasensya po kayo, medyo basag yung aking boses. I just came from a whole day training. No? So, let's look at the 4 hats and what they mean. No? Ano ba yung Explorer hat? The Explorer's hat is responsible for understanding the challenge or the problem, identifying root causes. Itong role na ito ay tungkol sa curiosity, discovery, where the individual explores various sources of information, environments, and experiences to gather information and different perspectives. No? So, anong activities na ginagawa mo kapag ka ikaw ay nakasuot ng explorer's hat? Your data gathering. No? You're trying to analyze, you're researching, questioning, understanding, and being open to new perspectives. I'll give you an example, personal example. A client will go to me and say, Ed, we have a problem, okay, about employee engagement, employee retention, performance, okay, lack of uh, skill, whatever it is. The first thing that I do wearing the hat is try to understand what the problem is. Okay? Bakit disengage yung mga employees? Ano yung mga causes? Bakit sila disengage? If people are resigning, where is the resignation coming from? So you try to generate as much data as you can. You look at yung mga exit interview, you interview people, no? You look at possible evidences, no, or clues why people are behaving the way they're behaving. So, kung ang problema, for example, is employee turnover, masyado marami nagre-resign. Sweldo ba problema? Relationship ba with the immediate supervisor? External ba? Masyado bang maraming magandang opportunity outside and the company is not able to compete? So you want to find out, ano? What are the things that you should do in wearing the Explorer's hat? Know what the problem is. How is it affecting the team or the organization or the business? Describe and generate data to enable a clear understanding of the challenge. Sharpen your awareness. Turn the problem into a challenge. No? Ang problema natin ay employee turnover. How do you turn that into a challenge question? The challenge question is, how do we improve employee retention? Employees are disengaged. How do we improve employee engagement? So now that's the challenge. No? So kapag ka na-convert mo na yung problem into a challenge, you're now ready, no? You're now ready to take on the next hat. What is the next hat? It's the artist hat.